Hello, I'm in Largs today and I'm walking the promenade. I'm hopefully going to see the Largs Viking Monument, so come and join me. Colourful benches.
Too far forward.
That'll be Go Water. And for anybody that watched my hill walk in Largs, way up there, this is where it comes out. Got to watch when you're filming here. At the start of this walk there's a children's play park, so I had to put the camera away for a bit, but now I'm on the promenade and it's a bit quieter. I have set myself a target for this walk. The intention is for it to be a 45-minute walk, but my map suggests it's going to be longer than that, but that's no good because it's an hourly train and I want back to catch a train. So I'm going to get as far towards the Pencil Monument as I can. See how far that is. And if you're thinking, what's the Pencil Monument? Well, that's the Viking Monument and it's in the shape of a pencil. So, hope that's clear. I can see it in the distance here along the coast. Hidden in those trees up there. But I doubt you'll be able to see it. Largs is a nice town. There's a lot of nice houses here. You've got this terrific coastal view. Get the hills behind you. There's a few streets that are a bit dodgy, but most of it is nice. I think I could quite happily live here, or just further down the coast in Fairlie. Look at it, it's so well kept. Plenty of dog walkers about here. It's rather pleasingly quieter at this bit. Just where the ferry terminal is and where the children's play park is, just beyond that is so busy. And I was going to walk the other side of the ferry terminal down that promenade, but it's absolutely mobbed. So this is the quieter section of promenade. Look at that White House. That fair stands out, doesn't it? I brought my American relatives down here a few years ago when we were visiting. Hello, American relatives. And they couldn't resist the beach because they live in the Midwest where it's landlocked. They're mental They saw a dead jellyfish and started poking it, daring each other to touch a dead jellyfish. You thought only Donald Trump was mental? Well, hey, he doesn't poke dead jellyfish. That is my favourite house in Largs. I love it. How could you not like that house? It's an old ruin there. I wonder what that was. I suspect it was just part of the seawall, maybe some little sheltered area along it. Seen better days. Nice little balconies in those flats. Come home for your work at night, sit out there with a cup of tea. Oh, it's getting warm now. It was freezing cold 10 minutes ago. And there's Largs Monument just up there in the distance. So going back 800 years when the Vikings invaded. No idea the result of the battle. Maybe it was a 0-0 draw. Anyway, further back at the promenade, they've got a big comedy Viking standing there. So, not quite sure why you would celebrate the invaders, but, well, there's probably some good reason for it. Maybe they should have a big statue of a man in a kilt. You can see the peaks of Arran just behind that Isle of Cumbria there. You can see so far on a nice sunny day like today. The Pencil Monument, ladies and gentlemen. Rather tall. Do a quick circle of it. It's out here and have a nice wee picnic. Battle of Largs, 1263. There you go, the Pencil Monument commemorating the Battle of Largs. And I'm pretty sure some hardy Scots kicked the backside of the Vikings, but we're still here. So, hope you've enjoyed this quick walk down to the monument. I'm going to run back to the station now as quick as I can, catch my train, my hourly train. So thanks for watching and cheerio now.